plans here is simply astounding. It's going to keep me occupied for many years. Willie says, these plans will set a new standard in the field. I've bought many woodworking plans in the past, and this collection is clearly the best there is on the market in every aspect. Jason says, this is a woodworker's dream. It was like having a master woodworker standing over my shoulder, guiding me every step of the way. I built my son his first treehouse over the weekend, and the next thing you know, I've got 20 kids in my backyard. I've helped over thousands of woodworkers like yourself build and complete projects the easier way. By using my plans and blueprints, you would be constructing crafts and furniture at a fraction of the cost you would normally pay. And best of all, you don't need to have fancy woodworking skills or high-dollar tools. All of these plans are very easy to use and easy to follow. There's no guesswork involved in Ted's woodworking package. All my plans are created to help you get the job done easily the very first time. Here's my promise to you. Just go through all my woodworking plans and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can start and finish woodworking projects. In fact, if you're like a lot of woodworkers, you're going to feel like you suddenly have a superpower. The power to build anything you want. The power to create stunning wood projects easily. As you sit there listening to this, I know you're thinking about all the different projects you're going to make and how woodworking is going to be a breeze when you get access to Ted's woodworking package. Honestly, I can't wait until you feel what it's really like to master the art of woodworking, to know with 100% certainty that your project will turn out exactly the way you want it to look. Just imagine what it would be like to have complete freedom to build any woodworking project you want and never have to spend a dime on worthless DIY magazines or overpriced furniture again. So let's get down to it and talk about the special access fee I've got for you just for taking part in this presentation. It's going to shock you. First, though, I've got some bad news. Ted's woodworking package is legitimately a $297 package. It is priced at $297 because of the massive amount of plans and the level of detail I've put in. It's also because I only want serious woodworkers who are truly ready to see my plans. But because you took part in this presentation today, I want to do something very special for you. Here's the good news. I'm going to cut your access from $297 to just $197. That's a low cost to access my personal vault of over 16,000 detailed plans for every kind of project. In fact, I've been a carpenter for almost 36 years, and I haven't found anything like this for less than tens of thousands of dollars. I mean, we're talking about more than 16,000 projects all in one place. Can you even begin to imagine what that looks like? If you've watched this presentation this far, I know it's because you want this. So to celebrate my launch of this package, I'm making this so affordable that you'd feel stupid for not grabbing it. So, for as long as this video is up, and it could come down at any time, I'll let you have Ted's woodworking package not for $297, not for $197, heck, not even for $97. Nope, if you act right now, you'll get the instant access to all 16,000 plans for just one single payment of $67 today. There is no catch. Plus, just to make this a no-brainer for you, I'll flat out give you these 4 bonuses at no additional charge. First, you'll get the award-winning DWG and CAD Plan Viewer. With this, you don't have to pay for high-priced CAD software. An AutoCAD 2014 will cost you a whopping $800 on Amazon.com. This will allow you to edit, modify, or even create your own plans. Second, you'll get full access to over 150 premium woodworking video lessons covering a wide variety of topics, all hosted by professional woodworkers. Get access to my extensive collection of video tutorials and learn techniques and tips that the professionals use in their workshops. You'll have a gigantic selection of woodworking videos right at your fingertips, including detailed instructional videos, all designed to enhance your woodworking skills. This will soon be sold separately with the price tag of $77, but today it's yours absolutely free when you order now. Third, you're going to get a book entitled How to Start a Woodworking Business. I will give you a step-by-step guide on how to make money selling your custom woodwork. With this guide, you'll learn how to start quickly and operate successfully. Learn how to turn your passion into profits. And finally, you're also getting a complete collection of woodworking guides with over 200 pages of woodworking tips and tricks with detailed drawings, diagrams, and photos. Think of this as the foundation for your woodworking plans. There's no fluff here. It's 200 pages of solid step-by-step and straightforward advice that sets you up for your woodworking projects. That's practically over $300 worth of bonuses. All of these are yours absolutely free if you order Ted's Woodworking Package right now. It gets better because I'm going to do something I didn't originally plan on doing at all. In fact, I was going to sell this as a special add-on to anybody who bought my package. But since I want to sweeten this deal, I'm giving it to you for free. You will get 1 full year of personal email coaching from me. Yes, that's right. Think of it as a private coaching program with a master woodworker. I'll give you my personal email address so that you can contact me anytime. Ask me whatever you want, whenever you want, 24/7, for 1 full year. Listen, I'm here for you every single step of the way, so I'll be there for all of the help that you need in your project. This normally goes for $37 a month, and it's yours, absolutely free. By the way, you'll also get any lifetime updates for free. Yep, if I release new plans, and I do that every month, you'll get access to the new plans absolutely free. So all you have to do is click the button below this video to get instant access to 16,000 plans, the 3 free bonuses worth over $300, my personal coaching program, and lifetime updates. You will also get a DVD of all my plans shipped to your mailbox. That's a total value of over $624, yours today for only $67. No hidden costs, no monthly fees, no gimmicks. I'm going to sweeten the pot further with Ted McGrath's Love It or Shove It 60 Days Money Back Guarantee. Here's how it works. Place your risk-free order now and get instant access to all 16,000 plans. Try them for a full 60 days. If for any reason you think this is not for you, simply email me and I will refund every penny. No questions asked. Plus, not only I refund you, you can keep the bonuses just for giving it a go. That's how confident I am that Ted's Woodworking Package is truly the ultimate woodworking resource you've been looking for.